Welcome to DRJ Fall 2021, a virtual experience. We're so glad you're joining us virtually this year. Let me highlight a few of the things we recommend so you get the most out of the DRJ Fall 2021 conference. First, make sure you plan your time by checking out our agenda. You'll find information regarding general sessions, breakout sessions, and panel discussions running live. And you can join in those discussions by using the live chat feature. You can visit our sponsors and exhibitors to understand the latest solutions available by attending the virtual trade show on Monday, starting at 12:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll also have another chance to catch up with exhibitors during our popular sponsor speed networking, Tuesday and Wednesday, also starting at 12:35 p.m. EST. And don't forget, your active participation can win you prizes. You'll learn points by attending the virtual trade show and interacting with sponsors and exhibitors. Stay active and get involved. Finally, don't forget to follow us on social media and tag us with the official show hashtag DRJ Fall. Have a great conference, and I'll see you there.